Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is a message to my Somali brothers and sisters. Wallahi, 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 we love you in the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't let those ignorant people, those idiots, make you think otherwise. First of all, we are Muslims. We love you because you are brothers or sisters in Islam. Okay, there is no difference between us whatsoever. And as a Palestinian, wallahi, you have a special love in my heart. You guys went through a lot, like us. And we appreciate you. We love you. And I want everybody in here to send their love in their comments. I want you to share this video. And I want you to tell my Somali brothers and sisters how much we love them. May Allah bless you all, inshaAllah.